Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the new Oracle Dynamic ColorSHIFT halos on this Polaris RZR. These are the new surface mount halos. These make the installation super simple. So let's go ahead and show you how it's done. To begin, we clean the headlight lens with an alcohol swab. This will remove any residue that may be present on the lens. Now we use the tape primer to prep the area where the halo is going to make contact with the lens. We'll do this on both sides. Now we can go ahead and select the correct side halo out of the box, remove the backing from the 3M tape, and go ahead and route the cable into the underhood cavity area. We'll line up the ring and apply it to the headlight lens. The ring should match the outside border of the lens. Just take special care not to cover the factory daytime running light feature when applying this. Now, you can access the underhood cavity area and route the cable up into the underhood area. We'll repeat these steps on the other side. Now we can go ahead and install the wiring harness. We'll start by plugging in the halos into the harness with the plug-and-play connectors. Now we'll go ahead and get power from the underhood battery lugs by connecting the positive and negative cables to the positive and negative lugs. The voltage regulator has some weight to it, and we surely don't want this bouncing around inside this cavity. So we'll go ahead and secure it to the firewall using the T25 existing screw located right here. Now, we'll secure any loose cables using a tie strap. Lastly, we'll plug in the Oracle Bluetooth controller, again using the plug-and-play connection, and we'll go ahead and secure this as well using a tie strap. So, now with everything installed, all we have to do is open the app, connect to the device, turn the lights on. From the app, we can access hundreds of different colors and modes. We could also do static colors, white, and we can also control the speed and brightness of the different patterns as well. To find more information, visit www.oraclelights.com or call us at 1-800-407-5776.